Hi, I'm Ron Ponce, Anaheim High School engineering and manufacturing teacher. This is one of our latest projects. This is the open source RCF1, which behind me you can see the regular version. This is 1.5 times size, built on Airwolf 3D printers. Most of the whole thing was built on the Axiom. The tires were actually built on their second printer, which is the XL, which I've always liked using that for soft material. It's running ABS. We've got the TPU tires, and we've also got, on the axles we're running polycarbonate. We've got over 200 hours into it. Looking forward. The last thing, it looks like putting electronics on. So the reason I went with this project, I thought it was pretty neat with the RCF1. I played with it, had fun with it. And I wanted to see how big we could go on these machines. So some of these were pretty tight on it. We were able to get it going, printed real well, a couple little minor things, which happens. But I wanted to just do something different, see what I was going to have to correct by enlarging it. So because you got bearings that are preset size, you've got the motor, which is right here, you got certain size. So what I did was I printed one out, the large size, and then put it back onto the computer and made the mounts smaller to fit the motors and that. Same thing with the bearing.